So looking at price, starting off with gold. This is Tuesday, so a few days after the markets opened. But markets opened. Let's see here. Market. So markets opened right here. So everything up to here. So I already had the bearish sentiment, as you can see with the lower highs and lower lows. But as price got here and it reaches 38.2 retracement, scale down onto the 15-minute. Saw price break below the moving average. Entered here, stop loss above the low, TP at the negative 27, and then took this 9 a.m. the next day, I'm pretty sure, or same night, I guess. Price created a lower high right here and entered off of that. And yeah, same TP. This one got taken out. It said it hit the take profit for some reason on my broker. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure I had it over here, but it hit it right here or something. I can remove that one, but I can't re-enter because I don't have enough margin. Gold takes a lot of margin to trade, or capital, basically. Looking at GA, I did have GA pushing down. I think I was in a sell, but I exited that sell once I saw price start pushing up a bit, and I think I got stopped out actually. Price pushed up at this level, wicked a whole bunch here. Created this huge wick, and yeah, created this huge wick, created a lower higher low here, pushed up above this level, retested and continued up. And I was looking here, saw price pushing up, entered, stop loss below the two flat area. Don't need it like below like absolute structure because I did get a late entry, but I'm pretty confident price isn't getting back down here. So looking at AU, it wasn't a sell. I did exit. The sell was like here, something, and TP was here. I'm pretty sure I was in something like this. The stop loss was pretty tighter, like something like that. But I was in this, exited that once I saw price drop again. Entered here because I saw price retest moving average. We can also see price retesting this consolidation here, like right here, this whole range. Wait, not here. Actually, it doesn't really. It just creates a lot high. Yeah, retest here, but honestly, that's not really a confluence. So yeah, price just creates a lower high. Been bearish, so yeah, I just entered again here. Looking at the 15-minute, price pushed through the moving average, lower high right here. Entered there. So that's really all I got for these three pairs. Just gonna keep analyzing, being patient. I have my stop loss here for this trade, like right there. So yeah, just gonna stay patient. And a lot of news came out. Let's see. It's today. It was a lot more than this. No. All of this news came out. It didn't really move price crazy, but it did move price a lot. So I got some more news coming out later. But yeah, that's really it. So alright, so later in the night after pretty sure price was here. No, 10 a.m. Wait, hold on. 12. Price was around here in the last recording. So, didn't change my bias for gold. Still staying strong to dropping, and we can see that holding strong. On the 4 hour, we do see a rejection of the 2650. Here we can see a Fibonacci here too. And here, basically same TPs, or same TP for the negative 61.8. But yeah, I'm still in this trade. Don't really see a reason to get out or anything. Yeah. The price broke structure, or is continuing structure, broke below the lower low, I'm pretty sure. Lower low, lower high, yeah. Lower low. It's just creating structure. There's not much to gold for now. GA did hit our TP just now, actually. Yeah, it just hit it. So the trade was good. Right now looking to see what GA does. Not really too sure. Let's see. 2, 5, yeah. See price get up to here, maybe, or create some structure here. Strong rejection of this area, but price is in a major uptrend, so I doubt we'll see that anytime soon. I'm just gonna wait to see price get to one of our key areas, because there's not really anything to trade it off of right now. AU is dropping for some reason. I think spread stopped me out of this trade on my broker. Pretty sure spread, but I got stopped out of this trade right here because price probably got here and spread widens when the market opens, so it just stopped me out. So that's fine, but yeah, we're still in this trade. Looking for it to get to the next area, which is the 0.625, and analyzing these pairs for a while. So gold, I do see gold dropping pretty heavily. Let's get what's going on. Alright. Probably do have it drop into the 2600 at this point. Not even minding any of these Fibonacci's, just looking at pure structure. Well, actually, if I could, I'd re-enter for another trade to the 2650, but I'd have this trade here, like here, something like this, trade down to the 2650. But this trade, I'd move here, which I'm pretty sure, I think lines up with the Fibonacci. I'm not sure. The negative 27. I don't. No, it doesn't. So a little bit below, but yeah, I'd have it lining up here. Yeah. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. So I have for these pairs, not much else, honestly. Just reading price and getting bias off of it. So yeah, that's really it for these past Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, 2 days, 3 days. But yeah. Alright, so it's the morning or afternoon. It's afternoon of price. Yesterday we were looking at price. Price was around here, pushing down. of this level. I entered stop loss above here. I keep saying here. Stop loss above the wick to the 2650 area. Take profit at the 2600. And yeah, price consolidated for a bit up here at the 2650 and then dropped below the moving average on the 4 hours. So that's a lot of influence for me. Right now, price is creating a lower high. Could re-enter, but margin. I still am in this trade. Take profits on here though. So yeah. GA. We did get stopped out of this trade. I don't think I talked about this one. So I saw price pushing up here, came down, retested. It was retesting this area, and I saw it pushing up. But I entered here, stop loss below. I entered amongst the close of the tweezer bottom, I guess you could say, and stop loss near this low here, just to let price be able to move. But price tanked down, pushed all the way down, stopped here at this area of support where price stopped at as resistance before. See this, probably see a Fibonacci too. I don't know where I'd put it though. I think you can put it here, or here. Put it here, boom, boom, 50%. Take profit at the 2.02 500, but got stopped out. Didn't get the chance to re-enter, but price did end up pushing up, and I just think price is gonna continue pushing up. I'm gonna move these. Just keep an eye on the price. Gonna move this too. Yeah. AU price is dropping for AU. Price was pushing down already yesterday. Yeah, I was pushing down here. Price came up for a retracement up here, and probably gonna move my stop loss here. Stop loss like right here. I'll do that live so you guys can see. Boom, and trade here. Stop loss. Boom. It is a very small account. $50, but we're up 30 because of gold. Gold is pushing very heavily. So yeah, I said the margin is pretty hard to trade with, but yeah, stop losses here, and that's really all I got. I'm gonna check in again tonight, see how these pairs are going. So alright, so it is like an hour after the previous section, but I didn't look, but FOMC, yeah, it came out today, or 6 minutes ago, and that's, you can see with this huge drop. On gold, you look at the DXY, which is basically the US dollar. Like, this is basically, it's the US dollar compared against a bunch of other currencies or countries. I'm not too sure, but nevertheless, the price is dropping. You could definitely see price get to 2,600 before the end of the week, I think. So we did get out of this trade. TP hit this trade. The price is just continuing to drop, so we could see it continue to drop. GA not affected by this really, because there's no USD in this, so it really only affected USD. But yeah, TP hit, moving up with our profit on this account started off at like not sure, I think 70 or something, but AU is dropping a lot. We're about to see AU hit our TP soon, so we're just gonna let it rock and probably come back later today. Just updating and getting overall bias again. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start with gold first. So looking alright, yeah, looking at gold. So this is the next day from the last recording. Where was price? Oh yeah, price was pushing up here. It pushed all the way through and it was pushing up a little bit. I had price getting to here, but since price was here when I was looking at it, I didn't really enter. I wanted to, but I looked at it from I got one of these trades here. It's gonna calm down, let price move, and re-enter. So when price pushed all the way up here, so price got here, and as you can see, I entered a few trades. I did have price dropping here. I saw this low rejection here of 50% Fibonacci, but price didn't really respect that and just kept pushing up because I did have it getting to here, but I didn't respect my own bias. So yeah, I got stopped out of these trades here. Boom, boom. I think I entered one more trade other than that, but so price did get here. Once it got here, had my bias, saw price reject. Look on the 15-minute. Yeah, so look on the 15-minute. I'm pretty sure I did not enter here. I entered. Did I enter here? No, I entered here. I missed this drop here, and I had this as a pending trade. Entered here, saw price drop. Oh no, I think I did enter like here because price was rejecting here. I'm pretty sure. So I entered here. Pretty wide stop loss just to prevent me from getting stopped out due to price just working out all the way up. So I had a pretty wide stop loss and price ended up respecting it. Wicked here. If I would have had my stop loss here, I would have got stopped out. So I had a pretty wide stop loss. Price pushes all the way down. And I had my TP here and at the negative 27. And we just saw a heavy drop. There were some fundamentals involved as well, but we saw a heavy drop. So yeah, saw the close on the 4-hour and had the pending. It got hit. Stop loss was pretty wide because I saw price dropping from here. From here, I saw price dropping, and I had my stop loss above here. But as price dropped, still have my stop loss above here. This wick right here, as you can see, and price dropped, pushed below this 2600 area, and I do think we'll see a retest, but I'm not too sure because price did just create a lower high right here. So I do have my stop loss at the 2600 area just in case price does end up pushing up some more. Retest this area right here and then pushes down, but I do think we'll see a push down because price is pushing down pretty heavily. You see the daily candlestick, very bearish, very bearish. So yeah, we could actually not this negative 27, just see it getting to the next level, trading level to level, because price has been moving level to level here. We'll see it drop more. Retested the 26.25 mid level, and yeah, so that's that for that. Alright, so yeah. Next pair we could look at GA. So did change my bias a few times for GA. It's a bit confusing. Let me remove the first Fibonacci we had. Price is here, and so let's scale down a bit. So right here, price went all the way up above the 2.02500, and I had price dropping here because of the strong rejection of this area, but I entered off with the retest of the moving average here, and I exited once price pushed up here, and I saw this. I saw the higher lows being placed, and price was still in an overall bullish market. Just 1 hour, it just traded a lower high, higher low. I mean, okay, move that, and I had this Fibonacci here, and move this now. So price did push up above the area, but then instantly pushed down below the moving average. And let me see if I can find it. It goes on the 2 hour. Yeah, it completely engulfed this candlestick, and I had price dropping when price was here. I had price dropping all the way down to this level. That's why I had it marked, and price pushed way below it. So after this candlestick, honestly, an entry would have been pretty hard to get here, considering there's no really real entry you could get on this except here. But yeah, I got GA just pushing down. So yeah, I am a little sick, so sorry for this. So yeah, I do have price continuing to drop, possibly breaking through this area, retesting and continuing, because the 4 hour moving average did break, and price completely engulfed this candlestick. Goodness. Yeah, so the price completely engulfed this candlestick. So I do have it pushing down some more. Yeah. Not much for GA though. Just being patient once the price gets to this area. Seeing what it does. If it breaks through, it's gonna create these alerts, and be patient for on price. So last time we looked at AU, price was here, and we already had this trade, 27. A little smooth. Alright, so yeah, I did have price retesting this area here. Just like with all of these pairs, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I had gold just pushing up some more to create a retracement, and price ended up doing that for this. So I entered here. I had price going for the retracement, but I still entered prematurely, so that's a lost trade. And yeah, I was forcing these trades here. Here I forced a trade. Just because I had FOMO, I didn't want to miss out on the trade, so entered here, got stopped out, and so I had a penny trade here at the 0.62500 area, and had price dropping to the -27 extension. But here I also re-entered because I saw price get a lower high and a shooting star on the key area, and the moving average. I'm pretty sure, hold on, I'll go to GA. This was also a reason I had price pushing down here. This shooting star on the key area. But yeah, so here, shooting star, moving average, it hasn't yet crossed over, but on the 15-minute it did. That's why I did re-enter too. So my take profit was just at the previous low. And yeah, just being patient with this. Gonna probably just delete this right here, so we got one trade on. So yeah, this is all I have here. Yeah, just that price dropping creates a little retracement, but price dropping overall. Gold price definitely dropping, and if we look at our account now, yeah, we did push it up to 140. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 140, but those trades I entered on gold prematurely. I'm pretty sure I showed those. I entered here. Yeah, these premature trades did cost me like $20, and the flip flopping with GA also did too. So just sticking with my bias would have made me not lose the 1, 2, 3. Probably wouldn't have lost this 2 and 4 and 5. So probably 5 or 6 trades I would have lost, but we lost them and it was for a reason. So we're just gonna stick to our bias and just let price rock. So we'll probably be back soon too. So, yeah. Alright, so it's been it's the weekend now, after the market's closed. So for gold, I was pretty bearish on gold, but price ended up rallying up. And for me, right here, I saw these higher lows being placed, but I was being ignorant and didn't really want price to push up. So I was being selfish, wanted price to go where I wanted it to go, and I kept re-entering here, re-entered a few times here, and got stopped out a lot of times due to my ignorance and not paying attention to pure market structure, not paying it respect. So that is a lesson I have to continually learn and implement into my trading. So right now, I am pretty, I still think bearish. Price did create this lower high again, so I do think I am bearish on price for now. Price just came up, create some more structure. On the 4-hour, we see this match this area. Instead of this ring, we could just put a box here, and we just see this here. It goes back to this area, retest it again. So yeah, still bearish on gold. GA, I am still bearish on GA. No, I am bearish on GA. Price creates a lower high here, creates a double bottom here, and then pushes up. But I do want to see a break below this area, this low, higher low here, to completely validate a downtrend or a push down. But yeah, I just want to see a pretty strong push down to believe price is going to push down some more. Delete this, and we see the Fibonacci too. So even the daily is giving a little bit of a, I mean, it's really just retesting the 2.0 area though. Just looking at it objectively, it's just retesting the 2.0. Look here, just retested it, and we can see it continue pushing up. So for AU, price ended up pushing up a tiny bit more, but not that much. I do still think AU is going to push down. Actually, I do see it pushing up to this trend line a little bit. But this daily close isn't really convincing of it continuing to push up, but it's considering the moving average is so below price. I do think price will continue to push down because it has so much downwards momentum. But yeah, that's really it for these pairs. I'm gonna focus on being more objective to the markets, paying attention to purely structure, being patient, and not letting what happened with gold happen again to where I'm just ignorant of what's really happening. So I'm going to implement that and stay consistent. So yeah. And I'm gonna journal more.